Hey,
for coming on here and telling us a little bit about your Breeze experience.
I was presented at the dealership with the opportunity to buy an extended warranty, and um, I turned down their offer because I'd heard of Breeze, and I'd been thinking about going with a Breeze policy. I had never bought an extended warranty because I think, like a lot of people, we'd heard the horror stories where extended warranty companies stayed in business just as long as it took to cash your check, and then they were gone. On a Friday afternoon, midday, I pulled up to a stoplight in my town of Portland, Oregon, and I knew it was a long light, and I needed to make an adjustment to one of my shoes. So I put the Yukon in park, and I knew I'd have a couple of minutes. Made the adjustment to my shoe, and then I could see the light was getting ready to turn green, and I went to shift it into drive, and the vehicle would not shift out of park. I tried everything. I looked in the manual. I was online. I called AAA to come and pick me up and haul the vehicle. I called the dealership and asked them if they knew what would be the problem. I even eventually called Breeze and said, "Hey, have you guys got any ideas?" The vehicle was running but would not come out of park, and it turned out I got towed to the dealership, and after they dug into the problem, it turned out to be a shift switch. Actually, it turned out to be two of them, but the shift switches had suddenly gone out in my truck. So the service writer at the dealership gave me the bad news and told me how much it was going to cost, $800 and I think $45. And I said, well, I've got this extended warranty through a company named Breeze. I don't know if you've heard of them or not. And she said, well, no, I haven't, but that doesn't matter. Just give me their number and we'll handle everything. Oh, okay. So I called Breeze, let them know of the claim coming in, and they assured me everything was covered. Surprise, surprise. The vehicle got repaired, and I went in to pay the bill, and sure enough, all I owed was my deductible of $200. So to say that I'm very happy with my Breeze extended warranty would be an understatement of the year. Very happy with the service. It was very easy. There was no hassle. It was simple. The dealership really took care of everything. They didn't need my policy or policy number. They just needed the phone number for Breeze, and they called it in. And from there, as far as I know, it just all happened and it was taken care of. So I'm a believer in Breeze.